Chairman of the Grand Council of Chiefs, John F. Kharsiyeng, urged the Meghalaya government to implement a stable economic policy to attract private investors. He emphasized the importance of continuity even with changes in government and suggested the creation of a land bank to address unemployment and boost industries. Kharsiyeng also highlighted the need to align the Meghalaya Economic Development Council with the Invest Meghalaya Authority to address concerns over land tenure.
We need to have people who will think long term and think of how to provide jobs, right? Now, if you want somebody to come and invest here, you have to make it look attractive, right? So we've set up IT parks. But that level, then there's, like I said just now, there's 1,51,000 who have applied for constable's post. We have no idea whether, whether their employability of what level, right? So these are the things which are facing us. And I feel that, if the Economic Development Council can be activated to review this, to discuss the investment plans, it will be a great help.
Social activists and